Southfield traffic, line flight 3, helicopters reposition on runway 17 for departure, Outlaw.
Let's hold here. Yeah. Live flight 3, Cherokee 5147's here. We're stopped on Alpha. Give you room and you can go ahead of us.
I'll copy that for live flight 3, thanks.
Alright, just hold right here. Then once he moves, we'll pull up and cock off to the side.
Roger, we'll just take the, we'll stay out your left side and more departure to the south-southwest. Thank you.
Roger. I'm gonna let him get by me. That's cool. I got a friend that does that in Chattanooga. Looks like fun stuff, as fun as it can be. I mean, they fly in some sketch-ass weather and land in some sketch-ass places. Yeah, from what I've... Nope, well, you're good. Let me turn this on, do you care? Oh, you already had it on. It's already on, it's been on. Okay, we're clear left, we're clear right. Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 5147 Sierra. Taking runway 17 for departure to the east, Outlaw. They were still sticking, trying to get it to turn quickly here. There we go. There we go. There's a piece of live engine, there's Mr. Green. There's 60. Rotate. Whoa, that was a gust. A little bit. Should smooth out as we get a little higher above the trees. Yeah, I mean, we had a significant loss there. Dude, that heat is just awful. I think wearing shorts is worse. That actually helped. I think you fixed it. It's not fixed.
Abernathy traffic, Fluid A2 is on a 10-mile final for RNAV runway 16, final publishment after.
Yeah, we're gonna stuff our...
Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 5147 Sierra, turn in left crosswind. Outlaw.
Trying to plug the rearward vents with our sweaters or hoodies, whatever.
So I reread those LTAs for here.
Yeah.
And only one that says 1600 is the one about staying in the pattern. It doesn't say that for departure and arrival, actually.
I like to keep it below 2000 though.
Yeah.
Just because I know that
they're holding over the VOR and stuff.
Yeah, VOR approaches, anything else you'll have going on. It's not regulatory.
Right.
But it's just the practice that I've
No, it's safe operating practices, man. This is legit. I'm with you. I just noticed that the other day. I thought they were both 1700 or 1600 rather.
No, with this corridor, we don't have to say anything. We could do whatever we want.
Bro, this is not good.
Just go ahead and keep the climb coming. We'll get up to about 3.5.
Okay.
Make a last call.
Outlaw traffic, Cherokee 51470, 2.5 miles to the east. Last call, Outlaw. Thanks, bud.
Yep.
Campbell Approach, Cherokee 51470, 2.5 miles east of Clarksville, looking for a flight following east practice area. We're 1,900, climbing 3,500.
Cherokee 51470, Campbell departure, squawk 0233.
0233, Cherokee 470.
Bring that nose up for the climb.
Here we go.
Cherokee 470, radar contact 3 miles east of Outlaw Field, altimeter 3002, altitude does indicate 2,000 and climbing.
Cherokee 470.
Right back the altimeter setting.
And altimeter 3002. Okay, let's do it for 170, and here comes the power.
Yep. Start bringing that nose up, start bringing that power in. As the power goes in, your right foot goes forward. Right about there. Keep bringing that nose up a little bit. Now look outside real quick.
Yep.
Make sure that those clouds aren't moving left or right.
Alright.
We're starting to move a little bit right. Add a little bit of right rudder. There it is. Bring that nose up a little bit. We're holding at airspeed.
All right.
We're losing airspeed. There we go.
Feel like we're
what?
Feel like we're starting to roll slightly right.
Add a little more right rudder. A little bit of left aileron to keep us on our
There's
heading.
the warning light.
There's the light.
There's this indicator, the vibration.
There's the buffet. A little more right rudder as we're bringing that nose higher.
There's the brake.
So that was still a little bit of a buffet.
Okay, I thought it was braking. I felt it a little bit drop. So
it was wanting to, but that was more of a buffet. A brake
Okay.
is going to be a little more aggressive.
All right.
Go ahead and turn right to...
All right.
There's 80. We'll count it off. 1, 2, 3. Pretty stabilized.
Yeah.
Bring the power back. Bring the nose up. And look at the clouds. Make sure they don't drift left or right.
All right. I did get a little bit of turnage going there. And we got a tailwind too. Nose is coming up.
Keep bringing the nose up.
Bringing the nose up.
Keep bringing it up.
Up. Coordinating. There's the light. Nose up. Buffet.
06 Papa Lima, say request.
Bringing it up.
Bringing it up. And recover.
There's the...
06 Papa Lima, roger, descend to maintain 5,000.
Reduce angle of attack. Wings level. Full power. First notch. Only the first notch.
Yeah, I went 2. I didn't mean to go.
Now we're going to start the climb out. Hands back to the throttle.
All right.
We got a good airspeed. We're sitting at 90. Altitude's increasing. Now start to bring out the rest of the flaps. There you go.